Hey, babe.
Hey.
You're already done writing the report?
Yeah.
That was so fast. Okay. But you didn't have difficulties, huh? Okay. That was quick. Let me help you. I've been waiting for you.
Oh.
So, you should have a special night. Yeah? Oh, that was so sweet.
Good night, baby. Good night.
What do you mean, good night? Come on, baby. I've been waiting for you for us to have a special night. You know, it's been a while since we had a beautiful time together, and tonight I was just thinking it's one of those special nights. Come on.
Not really. Not tonight. Nakoka. I need to rest. I'm tired.
Babe.
Huh?
What do you mean you're tired and you need to rest?
I just said I'm tired. After a long day at work. Huh?
Simon, you and I haven't been together in a very long time. Huh? Must I always beg for you, honestly speaking?
Please, Nakoka, let me rest.
Simon, it's always nakoka, nakoka, nakoka. I mean, tomorrow is Sunday, dummy. You're not going for work. At least today we can try and spend the night together.
This promotion thing, it has come with a lot of work.
You are talking of this promotion coming with a lot of work, but you've got enough time to go in different lodges with different women.
I've just been busy at work, Wendy. Eh?
Simon, please, feel pity for me. I'm a woman. I've got feelings. I need you.
What's wrong with you, Nancy?
When last did you ever make love to me? When was it? Look at my body is burning. It needs you. It needs you to touch it. It needs you to make me feel like a woman.
Please. I'm tired.
You can't be tired when I'm a frustrated wife, honestly speaking.
I'm going to leave you. I will go and sleep where I'll find peace.
Simon, please. At least feel pity for me for once. I'm talking to you and you're walking away. Simon! Simon!